Hello everyone. So let's solve one problem today. Before that, let's put some good music on for the vibes. Okay, so we have one int array here and we have to find out two such elements in this int array whose sum would be equal to this target, which is 9 in this case. For solving that, we can use for loop, and it will be a nested for loop actually, which is not a good practice, but solve it anyway. Int I is equal to 0 and it will be length -1 plus plus. Inside that we'll have another for loop which will be j, and it will be I plus 1, a one step ahead of I, which will be array dot length I plus plus j plus plus. Here now put our if condition, which is array I plus array j equal to target, and if we get any such elements then print something out, so that we'll get to know, okay, we have find our two elements. Two elements are array of I and array of j. Let's try to run it. Okay, so we have two combinations, 1 plus 8 and 2 plus 7. Okay, that's fine, but here we have used nested for loops. As I said earlier, this is not a good practice, but if we want to achieve the same result using Java 8 feature, then how would we have done that? Let's comment it out, and let's have a map which will contain integer map is equal to new hash map. We'll have to import the packages java.util.star. That would be enough. Okay, now here we have to iterate through this int array, so we can do int stream dot range. Also we have to give. Now here range is 0 to array dot length. This is the range, and we have to iterate. So for iterating, for each is there, we will use lambda expression. So for each ith element we have to do something. So let's have one int variable here. Let's name it complement, and it will be the result of subtraction. Subtraction of what? Subtraction of the target and the array of this ith element. And if so basically we will put one by one this complement and the index at where we have find the complement in an int array. So that part we'll do in the else. What we'll do in the map dot put the complement, the result that we have got, and the I, at what index we have got this complement. So it will be in the else. What if we find any complement in the map? Then what will happen? So if map dot contains key, and key is what? Array of I. Then what should happen? If we find any key, then let's print what? This is the, or these are the values so two values we have to give, and so the first value would be array, and here we have to get the map dot get, we have to put the complement here, array of I, and the second one is I itself. Okay, now let's try to run this. Okay, so if we don't want to put or use the nested for loops, we can achieve the same result by using this int stream also, using Java 8 features.